Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 50 yen coins ng Japan na si Emperor Showa. Mayroong taon na 1976. So, share ko lang sa inyo guys ang history tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys. Ito yung history nito guys sa ating 50 yen coins na mayroong taon na 1976. The first 50 yen coins were released in 1955 featuring a chrysanthemum flower viewed from the side on the rivers. And the stylized ancient weight on the obverse. These unhulled coins had a diameter of 25 mm and were made of pure nickel. For the brief times, the final B series of the 15 note circulated concurrently with the newly issued coins until the notes were pulled from the circulation in 1958. Three different designs were used for the 50 yen coin, which include adding a hole in the center and reducing the coin's size. The decision to hole the center of the coin came with a new design in 1959 due to the public protests. Problems with the first 50 yen coin centered around its similarity to the 100 yen coin, as both coins had a similar design at the time and neither had a perforated edges or edge. This new hold design dropped the stylized weight on the obverse and show a chrysanthemum flower viewed from above on the rivers. So ito yung guys ang ating chrysanthemum flowers. Coin production then declined in 1960 with only 6 million struck, making it the lowest circulating date during Showa's reign. This second design lasted until 1967 when the metallurgy was changed to copper nickel in response to the replacement of silver on the 100 yen coin. That same year, during this time, the overall diameter and weight of the coin was reduced, including the central hole. The obverse was redesigned to feature 3 small flowers rather than an overhead view of the chrysanthemum flowers. Coins continued to be minted for the circulation throughout Showa's reign, with the exception of 1987 when they were confined to men's sets only. According to the Japanese Mint, no 50 yens or number 50 yen coins were made during Showa's last year of reign, as the molds needed to make coins for Akihito had already begun. The Mint also stuck that they do not produce all 6 coins denomination at once, as the need depends on the manufacturing plan. The denomination of 1 yen, 5 yen, 10 yen and 500 yen had been given priority over 50 yen and 100 yen coins. Production of The 50 yen coin started out strong during the first year of the Heisei era with minted figures in the hundreds of millions. These numbers responds to the rising use of electronic money by 2010 to 2013, year 22 and year 25. The 50 yen coin was continued to proof sit rather than for a circulation. Minted figures recovered afterwards, except for the Akihito's last year of reign, that saw a mintage of only 1,118,000 pieces ka piraso na coins. Production of 50 yen coins continued until 2022, when they were again confined to main sets only rather than circulation. The 50 yen coins continues to be produced as the third highest currently circulating coin denomination of yen. These coins also share being one of only two hold denomination along with the 5 yen coins. So yun guys, ang ating napaka short history sa ating 50 yen coins na ito guys ng Japan. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.